Ah, the planter building genre on YouTube. Truly a modern marvel. In a world teeming with existential dread and the crushing weight of reality, we turn to the soothing, almost meditative act of constructing miniature homes for plants. In the vast, ever-expanding universe of YouTube, a question plagues the minds of the truly enlightened. Does the world really need another planter video? I mean, let's be honest. It's not like the internet is exactly lacking in content. We have cat videos, makeup tutorials, and people, well, doing other stupid shit, all for our entertainment. But amidst the cacophony of digital noise, the planter building genre stands firm, a beacon of, well, seasonal clickbait meant to entice us into believing that we need yet another home for our greenery. One can only marvel at the sheer audacity of planter videos. In a world grappling with climate change, political unrest, and the existential dread of knowing our sun will eventually engulf the earth, every spring they choose to focus on planters. Not just any planters, mind you, planters crafted from repurposed materials that probably should have been recycled, planters adorned with so much paint and stain a pig with lipstick would blush, and planters so elaborate they could double as tributes to the Cubist movement. And the tutorials, oh, the tutorials. Each one a masterpiece of inspirational mediocrity. Gentle voices guide us through the complex art of screwing things together as if we're decoding the secrets of the universe rather than, making a container for dirt. The presenters, with their serene smiles and unwavering optimism, truly believe they're changing your world, one upcycled fence picket at a time. And let's not forget the target audience for these meticulously crafted videos. Who exactly is clamoring for another detailed tutorial on how to construct a box, a receptacle, a thingamajig to hold dirt? One might argue that the fundamental concept of containing soil predates the internet, perhaps even the invention of the wheel. Yet here we are, presented with more videos hawking build schematics that could rival the blueprints of the SR-71, all for the purpose of elevating your fern to royalty-like status upon its new throne. The sheer ingenuity in overcomplicating such a fundamentally simple task is truly perplexing. We're not talking about tedious cut traditional joinery here. Oh, no. We're talking about unnecessary miter cuts for purely aesthetic purposes, elaborate drainage systems that could rival municipal plumbing systems, and decorative flourishes that scream, "I have far too much time," and an alarming surplus of reclaimed barnwood. The question begs to be asked, how many different ways can one possibly reinvent the concept of a container? The answer, apparently, is enough to fuel an entire subgenre of online content. And the comments section, naturally, is a testament to the power of groupthink. "Amazing," they cry, as if witnessing the second coming of Christ. "So creative," they exclaim, as if the concept of putting a plant in a carton is a stroke of unparalleled artistic genius. One can witness group social identity theory in practice as another viewer declares, "I'm going to try this myself." Spoiler alert, they won't. These commenters seem to be stuck in Maslow's third level of hell. And yet, the views persist. The comments continue to flood in with declarations of awe and admiration. Why? Why do people willingly subject themselves to yet another demonstration of someone painstakingly assembling pieces of reclaimed wood into rectangular shapes? Haven't we all at some point in our lives encountered a box? Haven't we grasped the basic principle of containment? If you've witnessed an individual glue, screw, or nail pieces of wood together to form a vessel for flora, haven't you essentially witnessed them all? Is there some hidden esoteric knowledge to be gleaned from the 75th iteration of a rustic farmhouse planter? Or are you simply soothed by dulcet tones and the aspirational, albeit often impractical, aesthetics of shabby chic? Perhaps it's the illusion of productivity, the vicarious satisfaction of creation without the actual effort. Whatever the reason, the insatiable appetite for planter building content on YouTube remains a perplexing mystery, a testament to humanity's endless capacity to find fascination in the fundamentally mundane. So, does YouTube need another planter video? Probably not. But then again, does YouTube need half of the shit that's on it? In the grand scheme of things, a few more videos of people slapping boards together is hardly the end of the world. But let's remember this.
Remember, folks, a planter, it's nothing more than a box to put your fucking dirt in. Oh, Jesus. There we go.